Good afternoon, everybody. CryptoStrang here. This afternoon, we'll talk about Gate's token GT. Currently ranked 159 with the market cap 491 million. Current price is $6.31, although in the last 24 hours, we've had $6.87. When you go deep into this project, you can really see the potential for this as it constantly develops. Now, obviously, there's been many exchange tokens, but this one's just not just about a token used on exchange for cheaper fees. They've got a general use case for it, which is actually very interesting. Okay, and it's certainly one to keep on your radar. It's not financial advice, but as you can say, since May, it's half the price. So with the burn as well, at the moment we've got a circulating supply of 77,800,000. The total supply is 300 million. There was 1 billion issued back in 2020, but they burned 0.7. Okay, so there's a lot. There's only 300 million left out of that billion. So, but when you go on gatechain.io, you talk about the actual GT token. They talk about everything apart it. You've got obviously the hippo side of it, where you can do like you've got the farming, you've got the bridge, you've got the swaps. It's all talk about developers issue grants for new projects, but also the mainnet dashboard. The GateChain X EVM has built a complete DeFi ecosystem. It's a 2.0, allowing users to easily explore DeFi and experience the hottest products. Okay, talk about the different number of consensus nodes, total number of addresses. A lot really when you think about 35,900, you know, as they constantly develop and the whole ecosystem, what GateChain wants to be, you can see it. Now, as I say with Gate, it's definitely one of my favourite exchanges. Fantastic for issuing the low cap gems, the new smart contract for gaming tokens, NFTs, but also the mainstream cryptos all on there. It does seem to be the forefront. This and KU Coin are the forefront of issuing the low cap gems, in my opinion. So what is GateChain? I've done a video 2 minutes long. Secure, scalable, interoperable public chains. GateChain is the next generation public blockchain focused on on-chain asset safety and decentralized trading. Talk about the roadmap. Obviously, we'll hopefully bring out 2022 soon, but in this quarter, the last quarter of 2021, they start auctioning GateChain Parachain slots. Okay, now when you think about this project as a whole and what Gate is fantastic. Well, the token alone just on the exchange is fantastic. It's the 5th biggest exchange out there, but with everything else going on with GateChain, the token has so much potential. Okay, and as I keep saying, half the price it was in May. Okay, it's never, as I say, you've got to do your own research. There's plenty of other exchange tokens out there. This is my personal opinion. This is my biggest holding of exchange tokens. Okay, they talk about the GT buyback. Obviously, there's a lot going on since September 1st, 2020. Gate.io has set aside 20% of its platform profits to buy back and burn GT. That is absolutely incredible. Among the GT that was burnt, 75% were bought from the open market and 25% from the eco market. Okay, now this last quarter, third quarter 2021, affected by the tightening of regulatory policies in the Asian market and other factors, and the volatility of Bitcoin went up to 60 and down to 30. You know, now we sort of stabilised with Bitcoin, as they're saying there, it's less volatile. Okay, so with the concept of DeFi, was not the focus of the market in the quarter, whereas the concept of NFT and meta-universe were gradually popular. The number of registered users continues to rise. The spot trading volume contract is significantly affected by the market and the contract business continues to grow. A total of 3,672,687 GT was destroyed in this quarter. And the GT repurchase cost, and it states there, and the value was approximately 23,137,133. So, they sort of summarise what they've done in the third quarter, and they talk about obviously the burn, but the Gate.io NFT Magic Ball was launched, and the number of NFT works created by users exceeded 50,000. The product scale grew rapidly, and the on-chain activity on the GateChain increased significantly, but no positive revenue is being generated yet. The total number of GT destroyed in this third quarter, talk about that, how much they're destroying. If it can destroy this every quarter, you can see how it's going to, the supply is going to get so low, you know, it's only ever going to be 300 million. Okay, and they'll find that actually incredible. Where will this be in a couple of years? Who knows? I'm not saying it's going to be the next Binance. When Binance was launched, and BNB was only 10 cents. Looking now, it's over $600. I'm not saying it's going to do that, but as their token is used more than just the exchange, there's huge potential. Okay, so time is sort of bottom what they're going to constantly develop. You know, they're going to launch they have more than 1,000 trading coins. So when you look at the overview of what Gate.io is, you can see where we're going with this. Okay, I follow them on Twitter. Obviously, their Medium page is very good as well. Talk about many things, different parts of it. I just think they're just constantly developing. Look at the dashboard at the top. Everything they keep adding. I say the NFT box was a really good thing to have on the exchange. Obviously, there's so much competition out there. It's incredible. But they seem to be ahead of the game. I say I just wish they had that fiat withdrawal part of it. Then it would be my #1 exchange. Let's be honest. But, you know, beginning this year, you couldn't even buy crypto on Gate.io using fiat. You had to buy another exchange and send it. I've done videos before where it was slightly cheaper to buy on Binance. But now I find their fees very similar and absolutely very low, to be honest, compared to other exchanges. I really do like Gate fees. Obviously, again, we're doing trading, use the GT token for better rates. It's basically talks there on their site and Gate.io how to get GT, how the platform works, everything about it, the GT user privileges, GT holding and volume. Talks about everything there, the privileges and participating in Gate.io activities, initial offerings, popular coins discount, lock up and earn of mainstream tokens, hodl and earn, other privileges, buyback with Gate.io profit, PRS mining lockup. Talks about there the GT holder exclusive activities. Okay, talks about different rewards they've offered people. Okay, now also on their site, I've just found this out. Now I've literally just done this. I had, because I'm lucky to have many referrals, a lot of people buy tokens and you get a certain percentage, and a lot of them under $1. So like Binance coin, any project under $1, you can now do what they call a swap. You go on this on your spot account, you scroll across, you hit there, there's all different coins. I had 323, would you believe? Okay, and that's how many, basically anything under USD Tether $1, you can put on here and just check it all. Okay, you hit that and you select all the currencies and it gives you free GT. So again, it's another use case. I was lucky to have those 323 currencies under $1, and it gave me a nice bag of GT, which was great. Okay, it's really good to see. You can do this once every 24 hours, and you can exchange up to 10 GT every 3 days. Okay, now the Gate.io token, it's not actually just, it's available on other exchanges, which is quite rare. It's actually on Huobi, Bitfinex, a couple of other sort of lower exchanges. But I say, I've done this video before, I talked about the referral link, as you can see there, the commission rebate ratio. I've given myself 10%. That's the sort of maximum I give if I give you 30%. So that's what I've set the referral rate. I think that's very fair. I can't unfortunately give you 40%. It doesn't allow that. So I've given myself 10 and 30 if you use my Gate.io link. It's entirely up to you. It does support the channel. Now, when you go on CoinMarket, they're doing very many sections now where they sort of narrow down to a certain part of the market. Now, on CoinMarket, they've got top centralized exchange tokens by market capitalization. Obviously, Binance #1. Then Crow's had a massive pump over the last sort of month. FTX, Leo, got KU coin, wonderful. KCS, look, it's now nearly $24. KU coin, absolutely fantastic. Huobi, nearly $10. OKB, $24. But look at the Woo network. Woo network is basically nearly $1, and it's just above Gate token. You can see it there. Okay, so there's many others. You can scroll there. We talked about MX before. You know, all these different ones. And there's so many of them. There really is. Lots of different exchange tokens. You scroll the way through. But I say, it's just give me your sort of favourite exchange tokens. I personally think Gate has got so much going for it, and the next few years with their development, I can't wait to see their 2022 roadmap. I think that'd be massive. And to me, the price is still relatively low. Okay, as usual, if anyone need help, email me info@cryptostrain.com. All social, shall I say, media links are below. Help any way I can. Don't hesitate to reach out. Help any way I can. Certainly keep your eyes on GT token. Also KCS, KU coin. They're probably my favourite 2 exchange tokens, but GT is my #1. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. Cheers now. Bye.